Part of my job that I really love is when I see automobiles come down the road with our products in it. I know right away that that's bright light that I helped develop, and I say, that's awesome because that's my light. Osram Sylvania manufactures automotive forward lighting and also rear lighting. I am strictly the aftermarket product engineer. I develop all our premium aftermarket products. Specialized products that provide extra light down the road and brighter white light. If you were to change forward lighting in your automobile, there's a most likely chance that I've designed that premium bulb. An example of that would be forward LED lighting. The lighting concepts and designs were developed by a group effort of engineers here in Hillsborough, New Hampshire, and also Danvers, Massachusetts. I am a mechanical engineer. I work as project management, developing lamps, but absolutely as a team too. I also work with manufacturing engineers to make sure that the products that I develop can be run efficiently on the equipment that we have. What I personally love about being an engineer, I do a lot of hands-on, not so much sitting at my computer or doing analytical studies. You get to go into the lab. That's the fun part. I have several vehicles I like to drive. I love my motorcycle. It's a classic motorcycle, one of 1,000 that they made. And I love mountain biking. I also love going to the gym. I've been a gym rat for about 25 years, and I like to show off my guns. The first time I thought about becoming an engineer when I was a sophomore in high school, there was a teacher that influenced me. He asked me what type of an engineer would I like to be. And there were 3 types at that point. There was mechanical, electrical, and architectural. So I took all 3 classes, and I really enjoyed mechanical engineering, and I decided to focus on that. I started my educational career at New Hampshire Technical Institute in Concord, New Hampshire. I received my associate degree of science in mechanical engineering. I then decided to go into the workforce. After 1 year employment at my first job, the company decided to send me back to school. I went back to school, received my bachelor's degree, and the company paid 100% of that. Yeah. So my first employer was a military contractor making missiles for the United States of America. Very, very high tech. Couldn't tell a lot of people what I did for a living. I guess you can call me a rocket scientist. I found my niche. I love automobiles, I love motorcycles, and I decided to get into the automotive industry. But engineering can be fun and exciting. You can go into the labs, you can go out into the field. You get to work with a great bunch of people, not just engineers. Another good part is I get to go to automotive events such as Sylvania 300, and I get to work on the trucks that carry the NASCAR cars, and I relamp the trucks, and I have a good time. It's fun. Important skills kids need to become engineers are definitely math and science. If you like math and science, you enjoy it and you're good at it, it's a great path to become an engineer. Robotics is another avenue. If you can take robotics in high school or junior high, it's definitely a great path to become an engineer. It's a mirror image of design and development, innovation, troubleshooting, but it's hands-on, which I think is very key. So the kids that are doing it would do it exactly the way I do it in the real world. Things that kids can do to prepare themselves for engineering is be inquisitive. If something's broken, take it apart and try and fix it. And don't be afraid to fail, because I failed a lot when I was a kid. You got to keep going, keep driving, go at it through math, statistical modeling, testing, product testing. Keep driving those issues to see why isn't it working correct. Eventually, you will succeed.